In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline IT bug intake with Asana AI Studio. Start by logging into Asana. On the login page, choose Continue with Google and select your work account to jump into your workspace. Once you're in, open Projects in the sidebar and click New Project. Instead of a blank template, pick Create with AI. This opens Asana's AI Studio, where a good prompt does the heavy lifting. In the prompt box, describe the IT bug intake process you need. Call out who submits bugs, the triage stages, the custom fields you require, and any routing or SLA expectations. Useful details include severity and priority scales, components or services, environment, repro steps, and target response or resolution times. When your prompt feels specific, click Create. While the project spins up, add plain language context so the AI can refine what it builds. Clarify the life cycle you expect: intake, triage, in progress, blocked, ready for QA, resolved, and ownership rules like auto-assigning by component or escalating critical issues. You can also mention automation ideas, such as setting due dates by severity or nudging assignees if a ticket sits too long in triage. The clearer your guidance, the closer the project will mirror your process. When the project is ready, scan the tabs to see how everything fits. Open List to review columns and custom fields. Confirm that key fields like severity, priority, component, environment, and repro steps appear, are ordered logically, and are easy for reporters to complete. Switch to Overview to read the project summary and any roles or goals the AI added, which helps new teammates ramp quickly. Move to Board to confirm the workflow columns match your stages and that cards surface the most important fields. Check Timeline to visualize handoffs and dependencies across work, helpful for coordinating engineering and QA schedules. Then open Dashboard to view auto-generated charts for volume, severity mix, cycle time, and workload, giving you instant visibility into where bugs pile up. When you're satisfied with the setup, select Go to Project to start using it with your team. That's all it takes to launch a focused, AI-assisted bug intake system in Asana that reduces chaos, speeds triage, and keeps fixes moving.